Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Elantra tail lights. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and completely turned off before you begin. Then, open your trunk to gain clear access to the back of the tail light assembly. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's remove the tail light assembly. Inside the trunk, you'll find two retaining screws holding the assembly in place. Use your screwdriver to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its small release tab and pulling it apart. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Identify the bulb you need to change, then twist its socket counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. When inserting the new bulb, try to avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Push it firmly into place. Now, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to the tail light assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully align the assembly with its mounting points and push it straight back into the vehicle. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier to secure it. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.